Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right control panel end cap on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Lift off the 3 grates. Remove all of the burner caps and lift the center burner base straight up to remove. Using a 3/16" socket or nut driver, unthread the mounting screws securing the front and rear burner bases. With the screws unthreaded, lift each base straight up to remove. Next, use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the orifice holders to the main top. Pull off the control knobs. You can use string or wire to help pry them off. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the valve control panel. Remove the panel. Unthread the 2 screws securing the main top. You can now pull the main top forward and lift up to remove. Using a 1/4" socket or nut driver, unthread the 6 screws to release the upper rear access panel. Depress the retaining tab to disconnect the clock control wire connector. Detach the wires from the oven light switch. Next, unthread the lower mounting screws, securing the control panel. Unthread the upper mounting screws, and you can remove the panel. Now unthread the 2 screws securing the cross brace. Remove the brace. You can now unthread the 3 screws to release the old end cap. Install the new control panel end cap by positioning it in the frame. Thread the 3 screws. Reposition the cross brace, making sure to feed the wires through the hole in the brace. Secure it with the screws. Reinstall the control panel by positioning it on the end caps. Thread the upper and lower mounting screws. Connect the oven light switch wires to the terminals. Reconnect the clock control wire connector. Reinstall the rear access panel by aligning the tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread the screws to hold it in place. Reinstall the main top by aligning the rear edge under the retaining tabs. Confirm that the orifice holders and igniters protrude through the holes in the top. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Reinstall the valve control panel by aligning the slots at the top with the bracket tabs. Then thread the mounting screws. Replace the control knobs. Thread all of the screws to secure the orifice holders to the main top. Reposition the burner bases so the igniter aligns with the notch in the base. Thread the mounting screws to secure the front and rear bases. Realign all the burner caps. Reinstall the grates. Move the appliance back against the wall. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.